Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna teach you how to create stickers on Canva. Now let's begin. Initially, let's just create a design. You will find it on the top right corner. Simply click on it. Then on the bottom left, you can find something like custom size. Click on it again. Initially, change this pixel to inch and give the width and height 10. Simply create a design. Now in the elements section, you just add graphics from here. You can add anything you wish. Now that everything is done, simply hit on share and then download. Download it on PNG or JPG, it's up to you. And once everything's okay, simply click on download. And that's it. That's how you create stickers using Canva. Hope you found this video informational, and for more informative content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.